Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change YouTube username or channel name on PC or Mac. So to do this, you just need to go to your channel dashboard. And when you enter to your channel dashboard, of course, to go to your channel dashboard, you just need to go and open your YouTube account. After that, click on your picture. And after that, click on YouTube Studio to enter to your channel dashboard, like this one. And after that, you go to customization. Click on customization. And after that, choose basic info. And here, as you can see, the first option is to change your channel name. But as you can see here, choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So in 14 days, you can change your channel name only 2 times. And here, this is your username or your handle, and you can change it also. Of course, you should choose like an available one. And here is the description of your channel, and you can add another language of it, translation of it. And also here you have like your custom URL. You can edit also your custom URL. So after that, of course, you need to click on publish. After you complete, you need to click on publish. And like that, you can edit your username or channel, YouTube channel name. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.